Hey everyone, and once again welcome to WsCube Tech English channel. Myself Umar Taskir. Guys, in this particular video, we are basically going to talk about some of the optimization tips related to video campaigns, right? So, in this particular video, we are basically going to talk about, or we are specifically going to talk about the video discovery campaigns and how can we do the basic optimization or the audit, or how can we initiate the process of auditing and optimization in case we are running a video discovery ad, right? So, with reference to previous some videos, we have learned so many things. We know about the video campaigns, we know their importance, we know how can we actually run skippable, non-skippable campaigns and how they differ from the discovery campaigns or discovery ads, and where these discovery ads actually show up. So we have discussed these kind of basics. Now it's turn to learn some optimization. So I'm starting from discovery campaigns only. So as we all know that our discovery ad will also show on the keywords which are basically searched in the YouTube search, right? So if anyone is coming to YouTube search and typing any query, and if that particular query is related to what we have mentioned in our ad group and in our campaign, our discovery ad might show, right? So this is a very simple process. Now, based on the keywords, based on the targeting that we set, if our ad is getting triggered or if our ad is showing, video discovery ad is showing, now how can we actually optimize on the basis of the keyword? So we have to go to the reports of search terms first, and then understand that what kind of search terms are there which are basically triggering our ads, or what kind of search terms are there which are basically bringing views on my discovery ad. And if I'm able to figure out all these things, then I'll be able to optimize, I'll be able to put negative keywords around my campaigns, around my ad groups. So that is going to help us, right? So this is one of the basic thing that we can do with regards to our optimization strategy. Now I'm going to tell you how you can actually do this thing. So you can see on my laptop screen, as I'm having different campaigns over here, there are so many campaigns, right? So if we are coming down, we can see the number of campaigns. These are like 68 campaigns are here, but we only require video campaigns with some data so that I can show you where we are going to find those search term reports and how can we basically optimize that search term report, right? So let me put some filter over here, and you can also learn how can we actually put filter. So let me select campaign type over here first. Okay, so this one is basically campaign type, and campaign type should be equal to video. Okay, we should apply now, and let's see if we have any data over here. Okay, you can see in this particular campaign we are having a pretty good data, right? Just to make sure that we learn something, right, from data. So and this particular campaign is video discovery campaign or not. So let's open this thing, and as soon as I'm opening this thing, you can see this is paused. Now this is video discovery, right? So this particular ad type is video discovery ad type. So let's see how can we basically audit this thing. So as soon as we are at this ad group level, now what we have to do is we have to go to this keywords and display and video keywords, and over here below this negative keywords we have search terms, right? So these are the different terms which basically triggered our discovery ad, or on which our discovery ad got some views, right? So you can easily see on this particular keyword like SEO, very broad keyword, we got 120 views. On SEO tutorial we got 23 views, whereas on what is SEO we got somewhere around 17 views, then 12 and 12 for SEO in Hindi, right? So we can basically sort this for views, and once we have sorted this for views, what we can see is 120 is there for SEO term, right? And like 82 is there for SEO tutorial for business. Now if you feel like that, okay, this particular search term is not relevant to us, this should not be there, and if anyone is coming from this particular search term and is basically eating my views or is basically viewing at our video discovery campus, that is basically not a good thing for us, and we should stop it, right? So you can basically mark this thing over here, and you can mark it as negative. You can copy this thing, you can come over here in the negative keywords section, and you can put that particular keyword over here along with whatever match type you want to put, right? So as we know that whenever we are running video campaigns or display campaigns, we have this option of putting keywords on which we actually want to show our video discovery ad, as you can see over here, right? So we have different keywords on which we are actually bidding, right? So you can see we are bidding with maximum CPV of like 50 paisa for each and every keyword over here, and on these specific keywords we are getting some views, right? We are getting some views of our video discovery ad. So if we want that, okay, let's see like the search term report and figure out that on what queries our ad is actually showing, and if it is irrelevant, we can then filter this out or mark it as negative. So this is again a very basic kind of optimization that we can actually do, provided if we are bidding on like keyword basis and our campaign subtype is video discovery campaign, or our campaign like ad is video discovery ad, right? So that's it for this specific video. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.